Chicken samosa. Step 01, let's go. Olive oil to Tbsp. Onion 1/4 cup heaped. Sauté until light golden. Boneless chicken, boil shredded 1/2 kg. Garlic powder 1 teaspoon. Chili sauce to Tbsp. Soy sauce 3 Tbsp. Chipotle sauce to Tbsp. Vinegar 1 Tbsp. Salt 1/2 teaspoon. Black pepper 1 teaspoon. Chicken powder 1 teaspoon. Sugar 1 teaspoon. Cabbage 3 cups. Carrots 2 cups. Green capsicum 1/4 cup. Yellow capsicum 1/4 cup. Red capsicum 1/4 cup. Corriander leaves 1/2 cup. Mix. Done. Step 02, let's go. Samosa folding. Frying. Ready to serve. Enjoy with your family and kids.